So right here we have our project 3B, and since we have 3 people in our group, it consists of a ping sensor and a temperature sensor, as you can see down there, which is to control the temperature of this bucket and the water level. So whichever one it reaches first at our designated height, which is 5 inches before the ping sensor, or 71 degrees Fahrenheit of the temperature in this bucket. So here's our circuit and the bucket where it will be receiving water. And right here is our servo. So right now it's set to open. And right now our other bucket is reading 87 degrees right there. And the height is 10 inches and 26 centimeters. So we see now that our cold water is now flowing from this bucket into right here. We can kind of see that it is, in fact, the height is changing and the temperature is starting to go down a little bit. So this will probably take a couple minutes of time before it reaches. So after a couple minutes that has passed, we see that the bucket is starting to get filled up even more. And we see right here that it is starting to go down. It's starting to fluctuate a little bit. 6 inches, 7 inches. Kind of hard to read. You can see that it is starting to get a little bit closer. That it is now reaching 5 inches, 6 inches, and the temperature is going down a lot more. And then the valve here closes, where it now reads, that.
As you can see, we're filling cold water into bucket 1. And the temperature is still reading about 70, it's reading about 78, 79 degrees. The valve is going to open up at 76 degrees. So let me go over to the valve because it's almost close to that temperature. be getting close to the temperature that we want the servo to close the valve at. Keep it off. Can you check the temperature?
Decreasing 78.23.
Okay, so it's still at 78.23.
74.71.
Okay, so the valve just closed. As you can see, the temperature is at below 76 degrees, so the valve closed.